Well friends, we'll see here how to convert an image into PDF file in your Android phone. Well friends, the easiest way to do or convert your image into PDF file in your mobile is that you all must be having that Google Photos app. Well, it's a default free app by Google. So just open it up and choose your image from here. For example, I choose this image and you can see once you press this, a lot of options would come, and just you have to go to these three dots, click on this, and you can see a bar like this comes up with a lot of options like add to album, move to archive, delete from device, all this, and just straight away go to the last but one option, that is print. And when you press print here, you can see there will be options. Select a printer here, just choose save as PDF. So once you do that, you can download it, press this option and it will get downloaded in your download folder. So save. So it has been saved. So if I just go here to my download files, for example file manager and internal storage, downloads, you can see, look, this file has been converted into a PDF file. This com.google Android, this kind of file name would come up, and you can easily click here and see it as a PDF and share it across various sharing apps. So this is how you convert files into PDF. For example, if I go for some other photos here, for example this one, my own photo, I took it on 26th January. Let's see. Once again I say you just click on these three dots, go to the last but one option, print, and here you have to, by default it will come as all printers, but you have to select this save as PDF. Once you do that, just press here this download button. Once you do that and save it, your PDF image is downloaded into your phone, and you can easily see it in your download folder of your phone. You can see the second file has also come here. I just press it, you can see this is a PDF file. So friend, that's it in this video. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do share it across various platforms, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.